Won't suck up the water.
What specific appliance does this involve?
Bissell carpet cleaner.
How long has this been going on with your Bissell carpet cleaner? What have you tried so far?
Something new. The stair cleaning attachment will suck up the water but not machine. I feel like it's not seating right.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
Hi, I'm Mike and I have 20+ years of experience in the home improvement field. I am sorry you are having issues. I'll be glad to assist you today. The issue very well may be that the cap is not secure on the tank when you replaced it. Also, check that the tool door is closed, as a poor seal in this area can also affect suction.
The problem I have is, the machine won't suck up the water. Your fix was to check to see that the tool door is properly sealed. I don't know what the tool door is.
The door where the hose connects.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.